friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Gothic 1 Remake gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next solution is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select a controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, check whether the controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not on that particular game. If it doesn't work, come back again. This time select disable Steam input and now check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, simply select the default settings and move to the next method. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, you have to go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and devices, and here your controller will be added. You have to first remove it. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, add your controller over here, and after that check if it's working now. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update, click on check for updates. Once your Windows is up to date, now try to launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next is to check for game update. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game and check. So where you can see play option, here you will be able to see an update option. So simply update your game to the latest version and after that launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next is to use big picture mode. So you have to go to Steam, under library section, select your game, and here in the above section you can see big picture mode. You simply have to select and click on it. After this, here you have to select your game and then try to play it. Once you have done this, now click on Steam option. After that, click on power and then select exit big picture mode. Once done, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are few solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working issue in Gothic 1 Remake game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.